let's take a stroll through the park. What's going on, everyone? Dev the Michigander here, coming at you with another video. And today I'm actually walking through the park. I did have a regular plan. We were going to go see the Stepping Stone Falls in Flint, but when we got there, they were closed. So I decided to come to a park and just walk around and show you the beauty of nature. So let's go. Yeah, so we are at a park near my home, and we're just gonna go check out. There's actually people sledding over there. I don't know how they're sledding because it's really not that snowy out right now. All the snow's kind of gone, but there is plenty of ice on the lakes, except for the middle part. Let me show you what I mean. Try not to fall while we walk out on this dock. If you look way out there, there's no ice in the middle of the lake. So I'm pretty sure this might not be safe to walk on. I wouldn't walk on it. Looks like ducks and geese and all different types of animals walk on this lake all the time. You can see their footprints all through there. It's probably that geese right there. There's a geese right there. Let me try to zoom in. See him? It's just there chilling. I think he forgot to fly south for the winter. Now, I don't think they salted this path very well. There's ice all on the path, and I almost fell. Oh, it's not too bad outside for a nice walk. It's probably like 36 degrees, somewhere around there. A little nippy. Make sure to bring gloves if you're gonna walk outside during Michigan in the wintertime. And I still wish we could have went to the Stepping Stone Falls. They had a huge waterfall type display. It was awesome. It's a man-made one, but still, it would have been cool to see. Because I'm pretty sure it's not frozen right now. Because I'm pretty sure the water still comes out. Alright, so you see, people are walking on the ice, but I'm still not going to trust it. Even though we did walk a little bit on the very edge, but I still wouldn't walk out that far. That's insane. I wouldn't walk out that far. Not going to trust it. Alright guys, so it did drop significantly in temperature. Like, it got really cold. I can barely feel my hands even though I'm wearing gloves. It got really cold out. So I think we're gonna start heading back and get back to the car because it is freezing. Well, alrighty everybody, well, we made it back from our little trip outside to a little park near us. We did try to do geocaching, but the one we had could not find. It was a really difficult level 1, but it started to get a little too cold out, and the temperature started to drop significantly, so we decided to come back. And that is a good example of what I mean by get your foot out the door because adventure waits, because all we did was go outside, go down the road to a park, and just started filming, walking, exploring, got to see some geese. We saw, but the ice was we actually walked down the pond for a minute. Didn't film that because my phone died, but yeah, it was just so much fun to just get out of the house and explore places around your house. It's so much fun. Alright guys, and with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please just give it a thumbs up. It makes me feel good when you guys do that. Also helps out the YouTube algorithm, get my videos out there for other people to enjoy. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe because I do post daily, and I'll continue that and see where it goes because I love making videos. So that being said guys, I hope you had a great day, and remember, get your foot out the door because adventure waits. I'll see you guys in the next one.